Hi, everybody. Welcome to our 2025 Advent celebration. We are so excited to be here. Every day we're going to post out a new video to watch. But if you want to craft along with the exact templates and digital papers that are featured in our crafts for the next 24 days, you can grab our Advent celebration pack. You can find the link in the description below. All right, so let's get on to crafting.
I know you're going to love today's project because it is simple. And as we wind down, you're going to find these last two projects a little easier. And you will be so ready for Christmas. This is last minute cards, these last ones here. So today we are going to be making this Merry Christmas holly cutout. And of course, you can change anything you want inside of here. I've got the Merry Christmas all set up here, but if I did my Alt and made a copy, you could make a different greeting inside here because you can use contour. So with contour, I can come through and I can get rid of my Merry Christmas here quite easily, and then you will have a blank canvas to work with. So what I suggest you do is bring up some text. And you want something on Cricut, but you want to have something that works for a stencil. And you'll see what it comes up with. It doesn't come up with anything really that nice, but artisan deco, because you must have stencil type things here, or it's going to cut out and it won't make any sense. So I'm going to look on my system, see if I have anything that says stencil. And I have Monday Kids stencil, so nothing really comes up, but you can pick on different text here as you go through. It just must all join together. So if you have a closed shape, this is where you're going to be in trouble with it, such as the A here has a drop in it. So let's go back to our Cricut. And I'm going to use one of the stencil ones that they have. I'll just use this first one. And let's see. There it goes. There's the text. Let me bring it down here. And I'm just going to put happy. And then below it, holidays. Now, it's not the prettiest text, but when we bring it over here, let me just bring this over. We want to be able to take this and take it out of here. So I'm going to then just move it smaller. And this will give you the ability to put any saying you want with any font you want. You could have it printed on there as well. What I want to do here is slice that happy holidays out of there. And as you can see, I've got a happy holidays that will print out just like my Merry Christmas here. So I'm just going to delete that. Now you could make a couple of cards here. All you need to do is duplicate this and put this over top. There is no score line because there's no folding on this particular one. So what I want you to do now is take this and cut it out, and then we'll be over at the demo table. And on the demo table, we're going to put it together in a couple of different ways. Now, we've provided you with some holly-colored digital paper, so pick the papers you want. This will all fit on 8.5 by 11 printed digital paper, and it'll make things so beautiful. So let's head over to the demo table. As I mentioned, things here are pretty easy to work with. I have the green color that I could have cut it from. I have the Merry Christmas in green. And I'm going, well, maybe that doesn't fit, but maybe this would be a good back of the card. And I could put in the white as it comes through here. Now, I've already done one, and I used the brown background with the red. And that looks really cute as well. And I set it off so you have a nice little edge here. So we could do the same on this one. Even if you did your own, I can bring it over so you have an edge. It just gives it a little bit of extra interest. Now this is pretty easy to glue together. The hardest part is for the Merry Christmas because we don't want the letters falling through. So what I like to do is just go through and try and grab some edges of the letters as we go through. And then I will go all the way around, just grabbing the outside edge pieces. There we go. And I'll just add a little around the holly as well. Now the hardest part here is you want to line up the bottom first. So you get that nice and straight. I'm leaving a little edge here. And then I'm just going to push these down so we have our Merry Christmas. And of course you can take pencil crayons, you can add your greeting around. And this is a beautiful card because you've got the white on one side and on the back there's actually another place to write a greeting. So this is a simple project, but the biggest thing is you can customize the text to whatever you want. And of course you could remove the holly and put your own designs in there as well. So it's a nice simple project for this day, and I will see you on the next one.